Hello guys, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's a girl Kyky Sonia'S World. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. I enjoy doing beauty and lifestyle videos. Even if you're here, karibu sana. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm back again with another video, a hair video of course. And without further delay guys, let's jump into the video. The first thing you saw me doing was sprinkle some water. I sprayed some water onto the hair, and now what I'm doing is just combing out the hair, as you can see, just to try and detangle it because I'm prepping it for a hairstyle, because I'm about to slick this short hair down. My hair is really short, as you can see, but let's see if it can slick down with some eco styler gel. So that is what I want to try. Next, I'm gonna go in with this coconut oil. This moisturizer really works for my hair. It's my go-to. I love it. It makes my scalp feel so nice, and I'm not about to change this because it's awesome. I've not gotten another moisturizer that works really well like this one, so I'm just gonna massage that into the hair as I try combing it out to make sure that every part of the hair is well moisturized, just like that. Slick my short hair down. I'm gonna use this Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel. What excited me about this gel is that it has olive oil and shea butter with black castor oil and flaxseed, so I loved it, and I'm excited to try it on my hair for the first time. I'm used to the green Eco Styler gel, so let's see how this works for my hair. It's new, as you can see, still sealed, so I'm trying to open it up, and it smells so good. This smells so good. I've not used an eco styler that smells better than this. This one smells so good. So I'm just gonna apply that on my hair all over, and I'm corner two just scooping it with my hand. And remember to spray your hair. When you spray your hair with some water, it makes it so easy to slick it down with the eco styler gel. So we're just gonna apply that all over the hair. So enjoy watching guys. To give my hair a bit of style, I'm gonna take this Afro comb and try to split my hair on the side there, as you can see me doing, because we don't want it to be so plain. We want it to have some swag, because we're gonna slick it on the left side and slick it on the right side and at the back side, as you can see me doing. So that is why I part that space there. And then I'm gonna use this brush. You're familiar with this brush. I used to use it before I shaved my hair. And we're gonna need an Afro comb, because we're gonna comb this hair down, because this hair is really short and slicking it down is work. It's work guys, if you agree. And then after combing it with the tail comb like that, I'm gonna take the brush again and try slicking it down. Slick it down, add the eco styler gel, spray some water if you need some more, and until this hair slicks down completely. So let's do that. I'm just brushing it with the brush and trying to slick everything down, and then I'm trying to use my hand to help me slick the hair more. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Let's enjoy watching. The front side of my hair is slicking down well, as you can see. It's slicking down, so the Eco Styler gel is working for my hair. But some review about this Eco Styler gel. It's not too tacky like the grain of the red Eco Styler gel. So I feel like if you have really tough hair, this Eco Styler gel won't work for you. My hair is light, it's kind of light, so this was not so hard for me. But if you have tough hair, I guess this is not the eco styler for you. So maybe you can try the green one or the red one, or maybe any other eco styler gel that you are okay with. So yeah, that's just it. Moving swiftly to my favorite part, laying the baby hairs. This is my favorite part. Laying the edges, it's my favorite part. When you lay your edges, you look put together, you look focused. Even if you have a bad hair, I always say that even if you have a bad hair and you lay your edges, everything comes together. Like you look put together, you look so good, you're ready to slay, you know. Yeah, so make sure you lay your baby hairs, even if they are not there. Force them, says fake it until you make it. That done, what we're gonna do is take this scarf. If you have a satin scarf, then well and good, but for me this was not satin. I have a satin scarf, but I was doing this video at work, so I just used what I had. So we're just gonna tie that down for some minutes, and meanwhile I'm gonna do my makeup. So let's wait for some minutes as I do my makeup. Make sure you wipe off the excess Eco Styler gel, and if you want to see how I came up with this makeup look, be sure to watch my next video because it's gonna be a video about this makeup. What do you think, guys? What do you think about the eye look? How do I look? The lipstick? What do you think about this makeup? So let's untie the hair and see what happened here. This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth, guys. Oh my god, this is why you should use a satin scarf. You see, the hair is raising up, but not to worry, we're gonna fix that in a few. So that's it. I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel and just try to fix the flyaways on the hair. As you can see, so grabbing my Eco Styler gel and trying to fix that quick fast. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video and you're liking it and enjoying it, please hit the subscription button. It's free. It's completely free. You just support my channel and support my videos and everything. You support Sonia'S world when you hit the subscription button. And be sure to like, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Turn on your notification bell. Remember to turn it on. So that is how the hair looks. That's the back side, guys. I'm so excited about this look. I told you hair videos are coming. Zinakuja kukuja. Doesn't matter how short this hair is, but I got you. I got you. I'm gonna do magic with this hair. Just wait and see. Just follow me and see. I'm gonna use this olive sheen spray to spray my hair and just give it a little bit of shine. Yeah, because we need it. So yeah, just use any spray of your choice. I love using this olive oil. If it's not olive oil, it's Radiant. So yeah, so that is how the hair looks like. I'm excited about this look. As you can see, I'm happy. I'm excited about this hair, guys. Tell me what you think about this hair and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends. Let me know if you can try doing this hairstyle. If you have a short hair, drop a comment and let me know. But now, until next time, remember to be kind, always have good intentions, and always stay positive. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next one. Ciao ciao. Subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. Mwah.